What is going on, you people of crypto? Welcome back to another review of QubitTech. I got some exciting news for you guys today, so it's going to be a good one. Let's jump into it. Alright my friends, I will not keep you waiting. I am very excited to bring you this video today because look here, we have our first referral. So that means you will earn a certain percentage. For me, in the silver package, it's about 6% of whatever somebody puts into the package underneath you. So somebody deposited $500 under my left leg, and as you can see here on my right leg, I'm getting spillover from somebody else's link. So when I share my right leg, I will have someone over here and it will give me access to the right leg, which will allow me to be involved in the affiliate program. Once you guys get 4 people to use your link and join under you, in a certain amount of time, you will get access to the quick start bonus. So as you guys know, I have one person underneath my left leg right now, so definitely go use the link in the description to get underneath this right side. That gives me access to the affiliate program, and then I can get even more affiliates and more spillover for you guys. This program is really good for accelerating your ROI with the affiliates, and they give you tons of bonuses and stuff like that, so it's good for everybody. To give you a little background on what the affiliates are like, if we go into my back office here, click my wallet, you will see that I have $55 to withdraw here. Now I only do a withdrawal about every 2 days, and with my silver package it gives me about $10 per day. So I withdrew about 2 days ago and I have already $55. So like I said before, the affiliates are really good for accelerating your ROI. So today I'm going to do a withdrawal for $55 and it's going to accelerate my ROI so that I can get my money back quicker and upgrade to a different package. Maybe I'll go for the Silver Plus. If you guys didn't already know, Bitcoin is on a tear right now, so this is a perfect time to get in and almost triple your money. 250% is a rare opportunity, and especially with all the price appreciation in Bitcoin, it's a really great time to get in. And still early, so you guys can use the link down below and get in really close to me on the legs for the spillover. So another way to accelerate your ROI, along with the affiliates, is to buy multiple packages. If you don't have enough, let's say, to upgrade to the Silver Plus package, you can buy another silver package and it's only $2,000 as opposed to $5,000. If you got 3 or 4 of these running, you could be making $250 a month times 3 or 4. So it's really great to make a lot of money, and Bitcoin's doing great right now, so triple your money while you can. I urge you guys to come check out the website and see what they're doing because they're opening new base camps in different places. They have something with gaming coming out, corporate licenses, lucky robots, they got a phone, here's some of the affiliate program, more robots for free. They're doing really awesome things nowadays and they're only getting better. So I would get in now while you can, guys. I really appreciate you sticking around to learn more about QubitTech and what they offer. Don't forget, use the link below. I hope you guys go in and make some money. Have a good one.